Welcome to Best 5 Products. The best under cabinet lights is probably one of the most versatile and impactful upgrades you can make to your kitchen, transforming a dull workspace into a bright, functional, and aesthetically pleasing area. Whether you're looking to improve task lighting for food preparation, add a touch of ambience for evening relaxation, or simply enhance the overall look and feel of your culinary space, these lights offer a brilliant solution that combines practicality with style, making them an essential consideration for any homeowner aiming to elevate their kitchen's appeal and usability. Number 5. MCGOR 10-inch under cabinet lighting. These lights automatically turn on when motion is detected within 10 feet in dark environments. They turn off after 20 seconds of no movement, so you'll never stumble in the dark again. Need light for a longer task? Switch to always-on mode. It's perfect for reading, camping, or even as a flashlight when you need it. Customize your lighting with 5 brightness levels. Brighten them for tasks or dim them for a soft night light without disturbing others. Forget about batteries and wiring. These lights feature a built-in rechargeable battery that lasts up to 45 days on a single charge. Simply recharge with a USB-C cable. Installation is a breeze with strong magnets. Just stick them directly onto metal surfaces or use the included adhesive plates. They're also easy to remove for charging. These lights are ideal for kitchens, closets, stairs, hallways, and anywhere else you need convenient, wireless lighting. What we like? If you're tired of fumbling for light switches in the dark, these lights offer an excellent solution with their motion sensing technology. They automatically turn on when you enter a space and off after a short period, perfect for hallways, stairs, or pantries. The dimmable feature allows you to customize the brightness, making them ideal for both task lighting and subtle night illumination without disturbing others. Choose these if you prioritize convenience and customizable lighting for everyday use. What people say. The lights are very bright and make a huge difference in my kitchen. Easy to install and they look great under my cabinets. The remote control feature is very convenient, allowing me to adjust the brightness and color temperature. Number 4. STAR-SPANGLED Push Tap Light. Introducing our innovative push tap light. Simply press the center to turn it on and emit a soft glow. Press again to turn it off, making it incredibly easy for everyone to use. Experience ultra-high quality lighting with our puck lights. They provide soft illumination with a high CRI, protecting your eyes. The anti-glare panel ensures a comfortable light, especially for children and elders. These lights are powered by AAA batteries, offering uncomplicated and safe operation. There's no risk of electric shock, making them ideal for homes with children. For extended use, consider rechargeable batteries. Our touch lights feature a split design for easy battery replacement. Simply twist to remove and reinstall. Customized adhesive pads ensure a stable mount on any surface without hassle. With its mini size, this tap light is perfect for adding light wherever you need it. Use it in closets, cabinets, kitchens, bedrooms, and many other areas for convenient illumination. This portable lighting solution is ideal for various applications. From closets and cabinets to hallways and drawers, it provides the perfect amount of light exactly where you need it. What we like? For those seeking simple, no-fuss lighting solutions, these puck lights are a great choice. Their easy push-to-turn operation makes them incredibly user-friendly, even for children and pets. The mini size allows for discreet placement in tight spaces like inside cabinets, drawers, or on shelves where larger lights might not fit. If you need quick, accessible light in small areas and prefer a battery-powered option without any complex setup, these are perfect for you. What people say. The lights are very bright and illuminate the entire countertop. Installation was a breeze, took less than 15 minutes. The slim design fits perfectly under my cabinets without being noticeable. Number 3. LED Motion Sensor Light 54 LED. Experience a new level of illumination with our upgraded LED lights. Featuring 54 lamp beads and advanced light refraction technology, they provide up to 350 lumens of bright, yet soft and non-glare light. The durable aluminum alloy construction ensures longevity. Installation is a breeze with these wireless lights. A built-in magnet allows them to stick to any iron surface, or you can use the included adhesive tape and iron sheet for non-iron surfaces. Easily remove them for charging or repositioning. Choose the perfect mode for your needs. Select On for continuous light, Off to conserve power, or G for motion sensing activation. In motion sensing mode, they automatically turn on when movement is detected within 10 feet and turn off after 20 seconds of inactivity. These lights come with a high-capacity 2500 mAh rechargeable battery, easily charged by USB. Enjoy up to 3 hours of continuous light or 2 to 4 weeks of use in motion sensing mode on a single charge. Ideal for a wide range of applications, these lights are perfect for bedrooms, closets, cabinets, corridors, workshops, basements, garages, and more. Illuminate any area that needs a touch of light. In motion sensing mode, they activate only in low light conditions, conserving energy. Ensure optimal performance by not placing two motion-activated lights too close to each other. What we like. If you're looking for a brighter yet glare-free lighting experience, this option stands out with its innovative side-emitting LED design. The aluminum alloy construction suggests durability and a premium feel. With 3 adjustable modes, including motion sensing, always on, and off, it offers versatility for various needs, from general illumination to task lighting. Consider this if you want a robust and brighter under-cabinet light that provides a soft, even glow. What people say. The lights are very bright and illuminate the countertops well. Installation was straightforward, and the adhesive backing held the light securely in place. The different color temperature options are a great feature, allowing for customization of the kitchen's ambience. Number 2. Brilliant Evolution Stick-On Push Lights, 6-pack. Introducing Brilliant Evolution Stick-On Push Lights. These versatile lights offer instant, wireless illumination for any space, making installation a breeze. Mount these lights under cabinets, shelves, or counters with ease using the included adhesive or screws. Their battery-operated design means no wires, just instant light. Control your lighting with the included remote. Easily adjust the brightness to create the perfect ambience for your kitchen, closet, or shelf areas. Turn them on or off with a simple tap, or utilize the convenient auto-off timer. Set them for 15, 30, 60, or 120 minutes for flexible and worry-free lighting. Enjoy a warm, inviting 3000K LED glow that lasts significantly longer than other brands. They provide ideal lighting without the hassle of wiring and offer extended battery life. These battery-powered lights are perfect as under-cabinet lights, night lights, or bookshelf lighting. Their compact, wireless, and remote-controlled design fits seamlessly into any indoor setting. What we like. If you appreciate the convenience of controlling your lights from a distance, these remote-controlled puck lights are an excellent pick. The included remote allows for easy brightness adjustment and offers an auto-off timer, adding to their practicality. They also feature tap control for quick on-off functionality. If you want versatile, cordless lighting for cabinets, shelves, or as a night light, and enjoy the luxury of remote operation, these are a fantastic choice. What people say. The lights are super bright and make a huge difference in my kitchen. Easy to install and they look great under my cabinets. I love that they are dimmable, I can adjust the brightness to my liking. Number 1. WOBANE Under Cabinet LED Lighting Kit. Introducing the WOBANE Under Cabinet LED Lighting Kit. This versatile lighting solution is perfect for illuminating various spaces in your home, from kitchens to display cases. With 6 pre-cut strips totaling 9.8 feet, you can easily customize the layout to fit your needs. It's a great way to upgrade cabinets, closets, desks, and more. Experience brilliant illumination with a total of 1,500 lumens. You can easily adjust the brightness to your desired level using the included RF dimmer. The 17-key RF remote offers convenient control, including timing functions, dimming, and a 60-foot range. Adjust your lighting without leaving your seat. Designed with safety in mind, it operates on a low DC 12V voltage, ensuring minimal heat and reliable performance. The 24W adapter can support multiple strips. Installation is a breeze with the included accessories. Simply clean the surface, stick them on, and connect. No tools or screws are needed, protecting your furniture. What we like. For a comprehensive lighting upgrade that can transform your kitchen or display areas, this LED strip kit is ideal. It offers a high lumen output for super bright illumination that can be precisely adjusted with the RF remote. The strip design allows for flexible placement and connection options, making it perfect for custom installations under cabinets, along shelves, or around furniture. If you're looking for a powerful, customizable, and easy-to-install lighting solution for a larger area, this kit is a great option. What people say. The lights are very bright and illuminate the countertops well. Installation was simple and straightforward, taking only a few minutes. The slim design of the lights makes them unobtrusive under the cabinets. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.